How to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram on your Android device. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Okay, straight into it. First, you need to start up the Instagram app. Next, search for a profile that you know exists. So I'm just going to go in here and do a search for David Beckham. And you can see that his profile is the top one there on the search results. Now, if his profile didn't appear in the search results, then that's one sign that you may have been blocked by that user. Luckily for me, I haven't, but if it did say no results there, one way to double check that if you've been blocked by that user or not is to either sign into a different account on Instagram and do a search for that user, or ask one of your friends to do a search for that user. And if you're able to find it through your other profile or your friend's profile, then that confirms that you have been blocked by that user. And that's all it takes to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.